Contact.
Contact regained, bearing starboard 024, range 800 yards, sir.
Contact bearing starboard 011.
Contact bearing starboard 011, range 700 yards, sir.
Right standard rudder.
Right standard rudder, aye, sir.
Contact bearing
Contact bearing starboard 012, range 600 yards, sir.
Mr. Lopez, stand by with a medium pattern.
Men, I'm ready, sir.
Contact bearing port 001.
Sonar reports contact bearing port 001, range 500 yards, sir.
Contact bearing 001.
Contact bearing port 001, range 400 yards, sir.
It's going dead slow, sir. Contact bearing dead ahead.
Contact bearing dead ahead, range 300 yards, sir.
Contact inside minimum sonar range.
Contact inside minimum sonar range, sir.
Hydrophone strong. Very strong.
Hydrophone strong, very strong, sir.
Over-revving screws.
Over-revving screws, sir.
He's trying to slip under us!
Now, Mr. Lopez.
Roll and fire, medium pattern. Roll and fire.
Hard right rudder, aye, aye, sir.
No oil slick, no debris. Fuck, I thought we had him, sir. Sorry, my language, sir.
Mr. Watson, steady on a reciprocal course. Maintain our present heading.
Aye, sir.
Sonar, when we come about, standard sweeps on both our bows.
Sonar bridge, when we come
Aye, aye,
about.
sir.
Escorts Greyhound, we have engaged the enemy, but no hits on my drop. Our last contact had him bearing 295, directly for the convoy. Tighten up your screens. He will be within firing range of the convoy in less than...
Oil, starboard B! Oil and breeze, starboard B, right 500 yards! 500 yards, sir!
Sonar reports crunch of a sinking vessel, sir.
We got him. Pipe it.
Now hear this! Now hear this!
This is the captain. It seems we sank that target. This was an all-hands job.